channel Tastytrade. If you have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. So today I want to talk about the stock heat map from a trading view. This is something I just find out on Discord. Somebody kind of posted the map, which I like pretty cool. So just wanted to. Few people ask me like, where do you view and whatnot. So what you can do is basically just look for trading view heat map. If you go tradingview.com/heat map, or it will just come up with this page, and it has lot of great tools. I wasn't sure this is it. It can do, you can do this for stocks, crypto, pretty much a lot of things. So few things, right? So today was really tough face, like a little bit up, a little bit down. Not really. I mean, you could probably like played puts on neo or some ticker, but not really a great day. Really, the volume was not there, right? So when you don't have a volume, you could fake out easily. So something I found, like this is S&P 500, right? So you can even look into Nasdaq 100 and you can see the same data and whatnot. So you have a lot of flexibility, right? All US company, right? So it will just bring out all the stocks, like whether it's Nasdaq or whatever, right? And this is just the select. So let's for this purpose just look into S&P 500. These are the S&P 500 company, right? And now you have by size, by market, by cap. You can do even number of employee, right? Where Walmart is the bigger. That's pretty cool, right? But just want to see or whatever, not really gonna matter in terms of trading. But I usually leave it. But you can have dividend, right? Somebody's interested in dividend, then maybe you can like look into, hey, this VNO is whatever hyping dividend SPG, right? So there's a lot of names, so you can actually do that. But we're gonna stick with the market cap, and the most important things, like at least what I found, was relative volume in the third section, right? Color by, if you do, there's performance 1 day, 4 day, day, week. So you can see like what performed really well and what not. If you look at the performance week, Microsoft was pretty good, Apple, Nvidia, and those stocks really good. Amazon was kind of down, so kind of you can check that out, right? So you can have performance 6 month, right? So 6 month, Microsoft, Google, Apple, those were the leader, right? Amazon not so good, but you have a lot of other names. Facebook was still down, right? You have Accenture, so doing pretty good. So pretty good, and you can even see performance year to date, where Microsoft and Google really did, like 67 and 53%, Apple at 35%, Amazon really flat, Berkshire Hathaway 29, that's really good. But PayPal really down, right? You see like Disney, Verizon, T-Mobile, these are doing really bad. But you can just get the idea what's going on year to date. Performance year, so I guess this is this year, so probably same, right? Pre-market change just for the today you can do. But mostly what I was kind of, maybe one thing is gap percent. Maybe if you are looking at me day trading, like you want to see what's gapped up, this is great tool. But what I was really relative volume, right? I always want all the breakout or breakdown with the volume. So this is very important, right? When you look at the volume, you can see that today was really a day to not trade, right? So basically Microsoft at 0.49. So price, market cap, relative volume is really low, not even one, right? So you want to do like see at least one or more, right? I would prefer like two, three. That means there's a lot of interest, whether it's in the upside or downside. But today you can see the volume, relative volume was 0.49 for Microsoft, Google, same, Apple, really like nothing even one, right? So this is the end of the year. People's are in vacation or whatnot, nobody's in mood for trading, so it's like a very choppy, so not really good. The other thing is you can actually look into it, like, right? So if you remove this, you'll only gonna see anything above this one, right? If I do one, I'm gonna see 1.2. So now you see MU, right? MUW, DC, right? Those were some of the stock, right? So uh, let me open up trading view and another one. No, not here, not here. Okay, so trading view I'm opening, and if you look at MU and I don't know, my kind of acting out, but we'll be there, right? So loading up trading view, right? Really pretty good day for it, right? So we are right. I mean, right now we are kind of in a right around at the previous high. So really top, but key area, like a really good push up from 60, almost double. That's really awesome it did, right? So really good on MU. Good strong momentum, and it was a really good day, right? So it went from almost open up 93, went up to 96, so that's 3 4%, right? So you had those number, right? So you can see that MU, right? So either basically it may even go down, but seems like these were the only one traded. There's a volume WDC. Same if you look at WDC, pretty strong, gapped up, and really strong day, right? Those were you wanna, maybe if you wanna day trade, those were something, right? But so that's why, that's really, look at that. Like if you just played out the open, boom, like really massive up, then we kind of plateau around. But I would not really trade up once it gets like, this is 21 candle, right? 821 EMA for 5 minutes. So if you are day trading, but you got like, these were the ones were really some liquid names, like you had some price actions if you want to kind of trade, right? So others were really kind of toughish, nothing, but that's all. So it's a really cool tool. I really like. So I think there's tons of other things you can probably do it, but let me know if you know. And seems like there's volatility too, so I don't know how. I guess it's like kind of looking how volatile it was today. So maybe okay, so it's probably volatility percent. It's up a little bit, volatility or down, or you know. So that's what it is. I'm assuming than the yesterday. So a lot of things you can do. So you can even do by sector. Okay, no group. Oh, okay. You can just whether categorize like technology, finance, and whatnot. So a lot of things I'm still kind of playing around with, but some things I really found, and you can, I don't know what it does. Like, okay, okay. Hmm. So this is really cool tool. You can even share this, save image or copy link. So this is pretty cool. Something I just wanted to let my followers know. What do you guys think? If you have any questions, comment, let me know. Other than that, have a great day, and I hope you had a great New Year. I mean, great 2021, and New Year is coming, so I probably have some video. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.